Hey guys, Mike Martinez and Jack Unger. We're just here at a Fast Track, which is a training system that we have every couple of months at the headquarters. Jack, have you noticed any changes in the policies as you know that homeowners should be aware of?
Oh, absolutely. They're taking stuff away. That's the easiest way to describe it. The insurance companies are cutting back on the coverages. They're increasing deductibles. They're just doing things that you wouldn't believe unless you really understand your policy and read it. If you have a policy 5 years ago, it's not the same policy that you have today.
Yeah. And what's important about that, guys, is that if you're not aware of it, most people like me or Jack, before we were public adjusters, when we got our new policies, you know, you used to hear, hey, honey, the policy came in. Yeah, put it in the file cabinet, put it in the safe, put it wherever. We don't even open it up. And you don't want to open it up when you have an incident and then find out that you don't have the coverage or that your deductible was raised by a certain amount. So what do we do as public adjusters to help homeowners not be in that problem?
Education is the key. The first thing we do is review their policy with them, point out to them any areas where the policy may have changed or where they have a gap in that coverage. And then we educate the homeowner. We tell them what to go back to their agent and talk about so they can get covered properly.
Yeah. And that's what's important, guys. So if you're looking at this and you don't know what your policy looked like, you haven't seen it in a couple of years, chances are things have been changed. And what you want to do is you want to reach out to Jack Unger, you want to reach out to myself and say, hey guys, can you review my policy? We do this with no cost out of your pocket. This is absolutely free. We go and we look at your policy. We advise you, hey, you know what? You got a wind deductible that was added a couple of years ago. You might want to change that. You got a coverage that's undercovered here or maybe overcovered, and we can help you make those adjustments. Right? Anything else you want to say before we go?
Yeah, the insurance companies are changing the definitions of things. Like for instance, the definition that regards plumbing. You can read 5 different policies, and believe it or not, plumbing is defined differently in each of those policies. So when you have a plumbing problem, you want to make sure that your policy defines plumbing correctly.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And a lot of them are changing access and what they're paying and things like that. So bottom line is pick up the phone, give us a call, ask for a free policy review and see if maybe we can educate you on something. Maybe we could help protect you before the next incident happens. Right?
Definitely before.
Yeah. Thank you, Jack. I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.